Look up at the sky. What you see is blue, but that is not Earth's only answer. Across Earth's 4.6 billion year history, the sky was not always blue, not orange, not gray. In a time so ancient no life remembers it, the sky above Earth was once green. This is not mythology, not artistic imagination. It is the outcome of physics, chemistry, and light. The sky has no color of its own. Its color is what remains after sunlight passes through an atmosphere. Blue skies come from oxygen and nitrogen scattering short wavelengths. Oxygen was almost absent. Go back 3 billion years, Earth's atmosphere was nothing like today's. It was a world dominated by methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. Oceans churned, organic hazes thickened the sky. These gases did not create blue skies. They absorbed blue light and scattered red. What remained was a strange, hazy green sky. Beneath the green sky, there were no birds, no familiar white clouds. The sun appeared dim and blurred as if seen through a permanent filter. Daylight carried yellow-green hues. Dawn and dusk burned red and copper. This was not a gentle world. It was a planet still learning how to breathe. Then tiny life forms emerged, no eyes, no brains, yet they changed the planet forever. They learned to use sunlight and release oxygen. At first, oxygen was poison. It killed countless ancient organisms, but it also rewrote the sky. Methane broke down, green faded, blue began to rise. We assume blue skies are normal, but in truth, they occupy only a small fraction of Earth's history. If Earth's 4.6 billion years were a single day, blue skies would appear only near midnight. The sky you were born under is the color of countless extinctions. The sky is not a backdrop. It is a record of Earth's breathing, once green, now blue, and the future unknown. So next time you look up, you may see more than a sky. You may see a planet still in transformation. If you stood on that ancient Earth, your first feeling would not be wonder. It would be unease. The sky would hang low, its colors thick and blurred. No clear horizon. Breathing would burn your lungs. Every inhale a gamble. That world was not designed for humans. It was a planet not yet ready to be observed. The color of the sky is not just visual. It defines the quality of light. Under a green sky, if plants existed, they would not be green as we know them. They might be black, red, or even purple, designed to absorb what little light remained. Life is sculpted by the color of the sky above it. Earth was not alone. In our solar system, we still see echoes of green skies. Saturn's moon Titan is wrapped in thick methane haze. Its sky glows with orange and green tones. This is no coincidence. It is the natural outcome of atmospheric chemistry. Earth simply passed through this phase. When the sky shifted from green to blue, it was more than a change in color. The ozone layer formed. Ultraviolet radiation was filtered. Land became habitable. Time seemed to accelerate. Life diversified. Complexity emerged. Once the sky changed, Earth could never go back. Rocks remember volcanoes, fossils remember life, and the sky remembers the planet's choices. Every sky color represents a version of Earth. Green meant unfinished. Blue means balance. The future color is still waiting. If one day the sky turned green again, it would not be a romantic return. It would mean atmospheric collapse, oxygen loss, life forced to adapt again. The color of the sky is a warning system, not decoration. The blue sky you see every day is not guaranteed. It is a rare moment of stability, a condition that happens to fit us. Earth once had a green sky. In the future, it may change again, and we are only temporary guests in this version of the world. Planets have ages, and the color of their sky is their outward face. Young planets wear thick, unstable skies, filled with methane, volcanic gases, untamed energy. Mature planets grow clearer atmospheres, fewer colors, slower change. A green sky was not a mistake. It was proof that Earth was still growing. Imagine the sound of a green sky, not wind, not thunder, but a constant low-frequency hum. Volcanoes breathing in the distance, the atmosphere churning overhead, every second the planet recalibrating itself. That was not a silent world. It was a Earth still forming its identity. Humans are born looking upward because the sky once dictated survival. Color meant climate. Brightness meant safety. Clarity meant future. Our ancestors did not understand atmospheric chemistry, but they knew. A changing sky was never trivial. A blue sky is not an endpoint. It is a pause in Earth's long instability. Plates still move. Volcanoes still wait. The sun still brightens. Earth never promised the sky would stay blue forever. Human civilization emerged during a rare moment of atmospheric stability. Under a green sky, agriculture would fail. Astronomy would never rise. Civilization would not look upward. We did not conquer Earth. We were simply born under the right sky. The sky is not decoration. It is a filter, deciding what enters and what must be blocked. Under a green sky, ultraviolet radiation was relentless. Life hid beneath oceans, rocks, and sediment. That sky was not designed to protect life. It simply had not learned how to yet. Life does not only adapt to environments, it is shaped by them. Under a green sky, vision followed different rules. Low contrast, blurred boundaries. That world did not require long-distance sight, only immediate reaction. When blue skies arrived, distance began to matter. Only when the sky stabilized did time become perceptible. Under a green sky, daylight rhythms were unclear. The boundary between day and night blurred. With blue skies, sunrise became punctual. Sunset became predictable. Life learned for the first time to expect tomorrow. During the green sky era, land was exposed risk. No protection, no shelter, no stability. Only after the sky turned blue did land become an option. Plants stood upright. Shadows appeared for the first time. Wind gained direction. If you read Earth not by dates, not by fossils, not by data, but by color, green meant unfinished breathing. Blue meant temporary balance. White meant frozen experiments. Red meant extremes and instability. Earth's history is a spectrum. The sky was never made for humans. Every transformation happened before we arrived. We simply woke up on the blue page. Had we arrived later, we might never know the sky was once green. Planets do not speak. They communicate through skies. Color is vocabulary. Haze is tone. Clarity is warning. A green sky was something Earth once said. We are only now learning how to listen. When the sky began to change, no life noticed. There was no countdown, no boundary, no before and after. Green did not vanish suddenly. It simply grew lighter each day. To those living beneath it, nothing felt different, until looking back revealed everything had changed. Between green and blue lay a blurred era. The sky was no longer deeply green, yet not clear. Haze became the language of transition. It obscured, softened, delayed, allowing the world to adjust to new light. Shadows were not always part of the world. Under a green sky, light scattered without direction. When the sky cleared, light gained angle. Shadows appeared. Depth emerged. Three-dimensional space was born. Long-distance vision requires a clear sky. In the green sky era, hunting was close-range collision. With blue skies, life began to see farther. Predators learned to measure distance, to wait. When the sky stabilized, the world gained rhythm. Seasons repeated, weather cycled, prediction became possible. And prediction is the foundation of complex life. Evolution needs rhythm. Too fast, life cannot adapt. Too slow, change loses meaning. The sky became the metronome, setting when to accelerate, when to pause. In an unpredictable world, memory has little value. Under a stable sky, the past matters. Life began to remember where safety lies, when danger appears. Blue skies made memory an advantage. The sky is not just above, it surrounds the planet, touches every ocean, every rock, every breath. When the sky changes, nothing escapes. We call blue skies normal only because we have known nothing else. For Earth, blue is the exception. Green was part of its long youth. Rocks remember pressure, fossils remember form, the sky remembers color. We forgot until science translated it for us. The color of the sky appears stable, but it is fragile. A slight change in gas ratios, a rise in volcanic activity, or a mass extinction, and color begins to shift. A green sky was not an ancient anomaly. It proved that the sky was never fixed. Color affects emotion. Under a hazy sky, the world feels low, closed, compressed. Under a clear blue sky, space expands. The future feels open. We think this is psychology, but it is planetary physics. Under a green sky, the horizon was close. Haze bent light. Distance vanished quickly. That world had no concept of far away. Only now, only near. The color of the sky limited imagination itself. When the sky turned blue, the horizon retreated. Mountains appeared. Oceans stretched outward. Distance became possible. The world suddenly grew larger. When the world became visible, language needed description. Colors gained names. Directions gained meaning. Height was understood for the first time. Without blue skies, there would be no word for distance. Human mythology almost always begins with the sky, not because of romance, but because the sky finally became worth watching. Before blue skies, there were no constellations, no patterns, no predictable motion. Belief requires a stable sky. The nature of night depends on day. Under a green sky, nights were hazy, stars faint. With blue skies, night became deep. The universe was finally revealed. If the sky had never turned blue, no land civilization, no navigation, no astronomy, no us. Earth would still exist, life would continue, but no one would look up. Earth's sky was never a finished system. It is a multi-billion-year experiment. Green was an early version, blue is a temporary success. The experiment is still running. We are not observers, we are inside the experiment. We breathe its outcome, live under its condition, exist within its balance. The sky is not background, it is circumstance.